I have to say that I'm pretty impressed with this box. This is my IPSY Ultimate February 2026 box, and we are going to open it together. My little baby is flailing around right now. All right, we're starting off strong with Rhodial Collagen Drops. Collagen Replenishing Concentrate.
Oh my god, bro. Oh, hell no, man.
We've got the Tatcha Camellia Gold Spun Lip Balm. I'm really excited about this because I think that it actually has like gold pieces in it. I don't know. Marvelous. We have the Lithe High Definition Gel Eyeliner. This comes in two shades, dual set in shades Blueprint and Galaxy. Blueprint looks like a nice blue and Galaxy looks like a beautiful purple. So excited about that. We have the Bisha Essential Rice Water Makeup Primer. That is exciting. Ooh, I love that. I have the Bisha black eyeliner on today that I got from my extra box. Fantastic. We've got the Kevin Aucoin Indecent Mascara. You guys say mascara or mascara? I feel like mascara sounds like mysterious mascara, but mascara is like probably the right way to say it. I don't know. And we've got Natasha Denona. They pop off, queen. Like every IPSY box that I've gotten has had Natasha Denona in it. Natasha Denona Golden Highlighter Trio. I'm excited for this. And we've got Laura Mercier. This is the Real Flawless Weightless Concealer. This is awesome. I'm excited to try this. This is in 2C1, so I really hope that that is my shade. We'll find out. And last but not least, this is something that I was really excited about. This is the Wild Ginger Purifying Scrub. I'm super excited about this by Fable and Maine. Love that. These are all pretty decent products. I love this. I'm excited to use all of them. I think that this is one of the boxes that I very much liked a lot. As always, thanks for sticking around. Stay well, be blessed, take care, and see you in the next one. Bye.